Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Edge step by step. If your browser is acting up or you just want to start fresh, this guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Settings menu, find and select Reset Settings on the left-hand side. Then, click Restore Settings to their default values. Next, a confirmation box will appear. Click Reset to confirm. Once that's done, go ahead and close Microsoft Edge. Now, click the Start button on your computer and type %AppData% in the search bar, then press Enter. This will open the AppData folder. Next, click on AppData in the address bar, then open the Local folder. From here, navigate to the Microsoft folder, then Edge folder, and finally User Data folder. Now select one folder, then press Ctrl+A to select all the files and folders inside. Then click the Delete button on your keyboard to delete the files and folders. And that's it, you've successfully reset Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.